my God! Holy fuck, that's loud. Holy shit! Haven't had something like this in a while. I don't know if I can. I will. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's hailing so much it could turn into snow. Like fuck, look at it. It's looking like snow over there. Taking a video of this and putting it on YouTube. Oh my God, that's fucking loud.
And it's taking forever.
We're outside, the Wi-Fi isn't good out here.
No kidding. I FaceTime with Shelby and I cut in and out all the time. You fucking out. Why don't you go inside? It's cold. Why don't I choose on the stuff all that?
Ah, Lucy, come on.
Okay, jump up.
Oh my God.
Albert, come inside with me.
Later, I want to take a little more video.
I don't like being inside alone.
I don't care.